How to enable angle snapping mouse 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to enable angle snapping mouse 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So right now let's head over to our browser, and then from in there just head over and search for Interaxle until you head over to this GitHub. So what you need to do is just scroll down, and in here you can see the download latest version. So just click on that right there, and then it will prompt you to this new window wherein you just need to click on this Interaxle zip. So just click on that, and then this will download just right here. So what we need to do next is to just head over and open it once it's done downloading. So let's open this one right here. Now once you have opened it, what you need to do is to extract it. So let's try to extract it on our computer. So here's on our download, so let's extract it right now. Extract files, click on OK, and then in here it will be extracted. So what we need to do next is to just head over to this Visual C++ or Distribute about 2015, then enter this one right here. Now once you have entered it, you just need to head over and download the 64-bit version, and once you have downloaded that, just head over again to your downloads to the Interaxle, open the 64-bit, and then after that you can see this one right here. You can now start running this InterGUI right here. Although it will run as administrator, you just need to run this as administrator. It will be detected as a virus, but run this anyway. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to enable angle snapping mouse 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.